No, the order matter was concluded for arguments yesterday. So the petition apparently is allowed by the honorable judge, uh, and it is declared that the amendment carried out on 29th July 2018 is upheld. The amendment carried out on 3rd of Feb 2019 is rejected, as a result of which the age bar of 70 years shall come into effect, and consequently I as a president will have to demit the office. What is also further observed and directed by the Honorable High Court is that whatever decisions are taken by me or as a president or as a member of the committee during my tenure shall not be questioned in future proceedings.
Mama say, Hazlesan AGM dal pade.
Oi.
Kadona mo intel Baba election kadona. ऐसा नहीं इलेक्शन के बाद करना तो रहा हाई कोर्ट का केस रहा हाई कोर्ट का डिसीजन दिले हम और I know.
Okay.
So I मुझे I respect the verdict of the high court. I am not gaining anything.
Okay.
I जदना I पढ़े तिंगा कोरोना टाइम जे पढ़े I कितने बड़े स्केल हनु तिंगा
Okay.
मागा मुख्यमंत्री मिनिस्टर पर सपोर्ट केला त्याका लागून इस्टावाला पेमेंट दिवपा चान्स पडलो म्हाका नाजाल्यार त्रास जाल्ले आमकां हांव हालीं तेंगेले ती आतां केस जाले 4 वर्सां जालीं ती येवना ताका लागून हांव ती केसी लागून हांव रावतालो न्हू.
जीएफएच्या कार्यकारिणी समितीचो वांगडी म्हणटा चर्चिलान जीएफएच्या घटनेचो मान दवरुना. ताणें खंय आपल्या पदाचो वापर करून घटना बदलपाचो यत्न केलो.
First of all, I would like to thank Salsette Football Club, the petitioners in this case. They have fought to protect the sanctity and the integrity of the GFA constitution. It was clear that the incumbent president has not followed the GFA constitution and has tried to subvert and trample upon the association and its constitution. Interestingly, the judge also said that though sports code is not applicable to state associations, the GFA in its wisdom has gone ahead and adopted sports code under the presidentship of Mr. Elvis Gomes for the principles of good governance, to follow the principles of good governance. And the church interestingly has pointed out that the amendment was not passed by 2/3 majority, even though the president claimed that he had passed it with 2/3 majority.
Today is a big day for Goan football, and I welcome verdict of High Court that GFA is going to hold an election, and I am one of a contender for presidential post. I want to change a football in coming 4 years.
Bureau report, Prudent.